All right. Ready for a new day of picking. I'm trying to knock out a couple of these challenge locks that I had set up. I opened it already before. This is Dangerous VP's Captain Crunch. Thank you for contributing, Dangerous VP. And let's get it cracking, right? Oh wait, let me see. In anticipation, it's gotta go down, right? Here we go. And here we go. If it takes too long, none of you ever see this because I'll reset it. But if it goes fast, then sorry for making you wait. Now let's get this cracking. Let's try Old Faithful first. Get this thing locked in. Get my mind locked in. Alright, the camera's sitting a little bit. That's fine though, whatever. Let's go. Springy on 1, springy on 2, springy on 3. Yeah, I remember this guy. 4 starts feeling it. 5 feels like it's banging. Oh. Now it feels like I'm picking ward. Come on. Where you at? There's the crunch. There's the crunch. But now I gotta show him that I am the captain. Say it with me. I am the captain. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. That's not the one. Gotta finish it now. Okay, got a false set here. Yes, sir. And sorry about the noise in the background. It's my AC going. It's a little hot out here. All right. Now you're talking. Come on. Shut. Now you're speaking my language. There you go. Come on. Come on, damn it. I didn't know you were there. Here we go. I really like serrated pins. I mean, it's not to like, but they're just so vocal. To me, I think it lets you know a little more than getting a standard pin that doesn't say nothing. That guy went too high. Yeah, haha. There we go. There we go. And she's all she wrote. I am the captain. Now let's gut you. Captain Crunch, look at the work he put on there. Eh? Grinded it in a little. We got DVP number 2 on the Sparrows lock LPU. In case you know, that's going to be in the link. That's called the Lock Pickers United, and that's what I'm making this video for, so that we could register and keep track of these challenge locks and let the people know, hey, we appreciate you making these things. Oh, I need the key. Oh man, how do we get it out? Okay. I mean, I think you can do it without the key, but that wasn't the challenge, right? The challenge wasn't doing it without the key. The challenge was doing it. Wait, maybe the challenge is the key. Okay, let's get something in here. I don't think nobody's taking this thing out. That's what it is. It's been sitting in there. Come on now, damn it. We got a clock here. Is there a key in there? Needed the key extractor. I say you never use that pick, right? There it is. Sparrow's black key. 6 pins. Very familiar, but it felt way different. Now we're gonna see why. Man, I could have left it in there. I have a black key right here in my box. Uh-oh. Doesn't make a good left. Should go all the way around. Oh, we ain't gonna. Let's just. One of the reasons why I don't want to pick, cut challenge locks, because a lot of work goes into these. You know, some of the time, and you want to be able to put it back just the same way. And you know what I was thinking that the other day, because one of them had some active springs in it, and you know, to the mods, if you're out there listening, I was thinking of having them when they submit their challenge lock. I mean, if they want to, especially if it's difficult to put back together, submit a little video of them breaking it down and putting it up and showing, you know, where all the pins land and everything and whatnot, just for documentary and document it, and if I need to look it up and say, hey, let me repair this. Six, buddy. We got 6 key pins. I knew it. That was with the black key. First one serrated. Oh, he can't be called Captain Crunch and not have serration. Second one serrated. Third one serrated. Fourth one serrated. Oh, buddy. Oh, yeah. All serrated key pins. And they gave it some good crunch too. Let's see, did he do anything to the... I don't see nothing. Oh wait, maybe on chamber 4. Yeah, chamber 4. That's about it though. And let's see what we got. See what we got in the coop. TNT bit. Give me a split second. I don't really need it, but I like it. You guys probably heard it on the other video, but I don't have my little mag light no more. Oh, look on top, it says lock pickers or lock picking. Oh, on Reddit, yeah. Look us up, guys. Like I said, it's a nice little community. Everybody's pretty helpful, and just learn rule number 2, and you'll be all right. I don't really hear any of the other rules getting really enforced. I don't think I really know any of them, but I'll look them up when I go. I think that's just basically pick and be picked. Oh, these will look interesting. I know, probably look like I'm good at this, but I usually just cover up the hole with my thumb and let them come out. But in all the videos I see you guys put your little tweezers in there and catch them on the way up, and that's pretty cool. So I've been trying to see if I could do that. Oh, some light would be good. There we go. And here's the last one. Oh, he's shy. Let's get him out of there. Oh, buddy. Oh, serrated. Full serrated. This guy looks like maybe he's the... No, just regular serration. Somebody, you made him, huh? This guy. Look at that. That's like a double spool. I think this is what they call a T-pin. You guys see that? Also, let me cut this video down, and I'm thanking you guys for coming in and checking it out, because I don't want it to go too long. It's just another double spool. When they go too long, nobody wants to see it. I don't know. They don't give me no likes. They start calling me and letting me know what they think about me, and I don't need all that. So, DanDiggler, if you like it, hit that like button. I mean, come on, it's not costing anything. Also, subscribe, or don't, you know. I've always been like that. Hang with me if you want. If you don't, to each its own. See you in the next one. Keep digging it.